Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a TikTok video draft problem. So if you are on the TikTok and you create a draft and you have problems assessing it, I'll be giving you a couple of options and ideas on how to fix that. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of TikTok. For that, you have to jump into your Google Play Store. At the top in the search bar, you have to go ahead and tap on TikTok. Now right next to the TikTok, it will either says update or open. So if it says open, it means that you are using the updated version. But if it says update, right, like me, you simply have to tap on update and update your app as soon as possible. Once you have updated the app, you have exit this and open up your TikTok mobile application. And now you simply have to create a draft. For that, you have to press on the plus icon. Once you have recorded the video, tap on the tick mark at the side of the screen. Now you have your video. You can add any of the text, music, effects, filter to your video. So now what you want to do next is tap on the next icon, and then if you want to save your video to draft, you simply have to tap on the draft option, and now it will be saved to your draft. Now if you want to find your draft, you have to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the drafts and it will show you all of your drafts. And now as you guys can see that I have simply opened up my draft. If I want to create another video with that, and if I want to complete this video, I'll simply tap on this arrow icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now it will ask me the couple of options which are saved as draft, quick editing and continue recording. You simply have to tap on continue recording and it will open up the camera again, and you can record the next part. Then you can add filters, effect and do the exact same process and upload the video once you are satisfied with it. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.